magandang umaga po sa ating lahat sa ngalan ng Magic 5 Las Piñas Council Incorporated. Malugod po namin kayong tinatanggap sa ikadilang ika-4 na founding anniversary bilang paunang bahagi ng ating seremonya. Papasok po ang ating caller sa pangunguna po ng ating outgoing President Chris Percy at ng Magic 5 External Vice President Louis Santos.
Kasunod po niyan ang bandila ng bawat nanay, Crime Buster, Lambda Epsilon, Delta Sigma P, Alpha Romeo 1, Delta Sigma Family.
Isang bayan, sinasabi.
Susunod na po papasok ang mga local chapter president, pinangunahan ng Pulang Lupa Unod Chapter. Magic 5 Bangon Chapter, Crime Buster St. Joseph Chapter, Crime Buster Zapote Chapter, Crime Buster Plaza Quezon Chapter, at Magic 5 CAA Chapter.
Ayan, kasama rin po ang ating mga bisita galing ng Balik-Balik Bote Chapter. Ang ating former president ng Lambda Epsilon Jennifer Napukaw. From Catalan Chapter, Tatay Dandan. From Tubing Chapter, Brad Jetro. At ang nag-iisa nating butihing founder, Bill Alfonso ng Lambda Epsilon.
Ngayon naman po, sa kasalubungan natin ng masigabong palakpakan ang kasalukuyang mga opisyales ng Magic 5 Las Piñas Council sa pangunguna ni President Percival Merelos, Vice President Randy Jehote, Council Secretary Justine Rose Guerrero, Treasurer Isidor Martin, Assistant Treasurer Macy Romelio, Crime Master Auditor Sis Erica Mansalapus, Crime Master Vice President Vice Mars Goodland, Lambda Epsilon President Chris Joven Rabaya, Delta Sigma P President Chris Elon Amador, Alpha Romeo President Chris Paul Rabaya, Delta Sigma Family Vice President Ann De La Cruz, Representative Alvin Mata, President of Plaza Quezon, Mark Joel Lina. Palakpakan natin ang mga pagkakasigabong palakpakan ng mga opisyales ng Magic 5 Quezon at Las Piñas. Ayan, wala.
Lord, bless our union with good, sincere, and able leaders. Deliver us from the leaders of cheating, terror, and pretenses. May your power and victory be upon our brothers and sisters who have God, goodness, and guts. Take from our hearts all trace of selfishness, so that in all things we may help each other to grow into friendship. Lead us not to temptation and evils of war. Grant us your wisdom to choose what is right, to walk in your pathways of truth and light. Teach our brothers and sisters to love, forgive, and to share the ills of the Spirit, to thrive and to dare. But most of all, when our journey is through, bind us together forever with you. Amen.
Ako ay nagpapasalamat, ako ay naanyayahan nyo sa kaapat yung founding anniversary. Sana mga anak, pag-itingin nyo pa ang paglilingkod sa Magic 5. Magmahalan tayo, huwag tayong magkaroon ng inggitan. Yan lang may papayo ko sa inyo. Sundin nyo kung ano ang bylaws ng bawat samahan para lahat tayo ay kumilos ng maganda at maginawa. Ulit, maraming salamat sa pag-imbita nyo sa akin sa inyong kaapat na founding anniversary. Mabuhay kayo lahat!
Lubos pa ako nagpapasalamat sa lahat ng officers at members ng Las Piñas Council sa 4 na taong pagsuporta sa aking panunungkulan bilang presidente ng Las Piñas Council. Ako ngayon ay bababa na bilang presidente at magkakaroon tayo ng bagong mamumuno sa ating council. Kayo na po ang bahala mag-desisyon kung sino ang gusto niyong maupo sa ating council at sana yung papalit sa akin ay ipagpatuloy ang magandang nasimulan natin at lalo pang pagandahin ang kapatiran ng Las Piñas Council. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat po sa inyo mga brother and sis sa pag-imbita muli sa amin dito. Ilang taon na rin ako pagpapunta dito sa inyo. Basta malaking karangalan na nakarating dito sa inyo ika-4 na anniversary. Katulad na sinabi ng ating founder, hindi natin ang bylaws ng bawat isang ating hanay at makinig sa mga bagong mamumuno at supportahan natin sila. Muli, maraming salamat at good luck sa bagong upong presidente ng Magic 5 Las Piñas Council. Good luck sa inyo kasi naman yun. Andito pa rin, lagi pa rin akong susupport pupunta sa inyo. Salamat.
Una-una, maraming salamat po sa pag-imbita sa akin dito at nagbabawal ako dito sa Las Piñas sa Council. Ang good luck pala sa lahat ng tumatakbo ng mga bagong mga opisyalis dito sa Las Piñas at sa ating going president si Kuya Kali Pres. Thank you sa pag-imbita kay Miss Justin, sa Moses. Salamat sa lahat. Sa kay founder, salamat founder na nakita po kami kayo dito sa mahalaga okasyon na ito. Ang akin lang, magpatuloy lang tayo ng sa ating adhikain, vision natin sa ating kapatiran. Magparami pa tayo at magpasulido pa tayo lahat dito. Maraming salamat at congrats sa lahat ng mananalo sa ngayon na election.
Maraming salamat, Press Pierce. Ako gusto ko talaga yung naririnig ko yung mga inspirational speech ng mga for mga officers, kasi
Yun lang po, pag-uunawaan lang po.
Vice President ng Crime Buster External, si Brad Louis Santos para sa kanyang inspirational speech.
Good morning. Happy 4th anniversary sa Las Piñas Chapter at Council. At sa aking BFF kay Abby, sa kay Sohel. Una sa lahat, inaano ko lang sa inyo na sana every year magdadagdagan ng bawat hangin natin kahit isang beses, isang taon, kailangan natin magparami. Kahit anong hangin pa tayo. Saka makikiligan tayo lang sa namumuno ng council natin para sa magandang itatakbo ng Las Piñas.
For the position of President. Ano pa ba? Okay. Okay, I will close the nomination for the position of President. And now we open the nomination for Vice President. Any nomination?
Ay, dinadamay ninyo ha. Hindi kayo nakakatuwa. Ito. Di ba pinanggigigilan ako rito sa posisyon na ito matagal na. Hindi ko po talaga tinatanggap. Katulad ni Sis Jennifer, may pasyente din po ako. Yan. Pero maraming po salamat sa nagtitiwala po. Thank you.
Dinedecline din po niya. Mrs. So, automatically, siya na po, si Sis Eka na po ang inyong auditor. Ang trabaho po ng auditor, siya ang nag-audit ng mga pinagkagastusan. Lagwad si treasurer sa kanya. Ayun, so nakita niyo na po at nakilala ang ating mga nominated candidates para sa mga posisyon na to, para sa ilang taon po ba ang term ng 2 taong magiging opisyales ng Magic 5 Las Piñas Council. So, pwede na po kayong bumoto, pwede na pong ihulog dito sa ating ballot box. And habang po tayo ay bumoboto, kakain na po tayo. Babasahin po ang resulta ng pagboto pagkatapos po ng lunch. Pakitupi po yung mga balota ng maayos. Mga 15 na poll. Ayusin mo yung poll mo, uy. Joke lang. Joke lang. Bakit naman yung iba parang tinunas na ba? Ayan. Tay din. Pila na po kayo. Yung mga...
Okay, grabe naman yung mga St. Joseph. Panalo. Oh, ano ba? Bakit yung nanalo ng 200 pesos? Ticket number 1066. Galing siya ng UAE, United Arab Emirates. Walang pakaya. Ito yung pang-apat. Nanalo ng 200 pesos. Ticket number 1375 from PLR Chapter sa si Percy M. Percy M. Oh, na-PLR. Diba? Pero ito din, galing na pulang lupa, 1. Ticket number 1, 2, 3, 5. Ruwario Macy. Ayan po yung mga nanalo. Ulitin lang po natin. Nanalo ng 200 pesos from St. Joseph Chapter Vicente Castro Jr. Abay Waray ng St. Joseph. From UAE, ticket number 1066. Ang pang-apat po si Percy M ng Pulang Lupa 1 at si Macy Ruwario ng Pulang Lupa 1. Congratulations po sa inyo. 200 each po yun per of 5 6 floor. Previews at ng present na Magic 5 Las Piñas Council officers.
Magic 5 Las Piñas Council Incorporated. During my term, I carry this paddle with pride, not as a symbol of power, but as a reminder that true leadership means sacrifice, hard work, and service to our brothers and sisters. Sa aking mga kasamahan, officers, members, at sa buong chapter, maraming salamat sa tiwala at suporta. And now, with full confidence, I respect and honor, I pass this paddle to our newly elected President, Ms. Florence Martin. Florence Martin, may this paddle guide you as it once guided me, with integrity, courage, and dedication. I trust that under your leadership, our council will continue to grow stronger. Congratulations, and may you lead with wisdom and compassion.
I accept this paddle with deep humility and great responsibility. This is more than a symbol, it is a promise to serve our council with honesty, respect, and commitment. To our past president, thank you for the leadership and for setting a strong foundation. I will continue the work you have started and do my very best to lead our council towards unity, progress, and success. To all officers and members, I ask for your guidance and support as we move forward together as one Magic 5 Las Piñas Council. With gratitude and determination, I officially accept this paddle.
Thank you. Ayan, natanggap na po officially ang bagong responsibility. So, tawagin po.
Having been trusted the honor and responsibility
We rise again,
as
built from the ground with the strength
this
within.
solemnly pledge
Every challenge that we faced, we turned to flame. Magic 5, we carry the name. We took the hits, but we never fell. We kept the fire, we lived to tell. From Las Piñas streets to the council hall, we stand together. We rise, we call. We are the firefighters alive, echoing loud as we come to life. Pain made us strong, now we survive. Magic 5, we rise, we thrive. We're believers. United leaders. We are the five, we are the flame. Magic 5. Remember the name. Second things next. We learn and grow. Respect and brotherhood in every vow we show. Every chapter standing tall and true. The council stronger because of you. We took the hits, but we never fell. We kept the fire, we lived to tell. From every trial, we forged our pride. Magic 5, forever we rise. We are the firefighters alive. Long live Magic 5! Long live Magic 5! Long live Magic 5! Magic 5, we rise, we thrive. Uli! Pinagdag silas! 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 We are the five, we are the flame. Magic 5, remember the name.
Logo! Grandmaster! Logo! Grandmaster! Logo! Grandmaster!
Old to new, the torch we pass. Magic 5 will always last. We are the five, stronger than time, beating the odds as we climb and shine. Faith in the brotherhood keeps us aligned. Magic 5, the fire, the sun. We're believers. United leaders. We are the five, forever the flame. Remember the name. First things first, we rise again. Built from the ground with the strength within. Every challenge that we faced, we turned to flame. Magic 5, we carry the name. We took the hits, but we never fail. We kept the fire, we lived to tell. From Las Piñas streets to the council hall, we stand together. We rise, we call. We are the five, fighters alive, echoing loud as we come to life. Pain made us strong, now we survive. Magic 5, we rise, we thrive. Oh, we're believers. Oh, united leaders. We are the five, we are the flame. Magic 5, remember the name. lifted high, symbol of strength that never dies. Altar knew the torch we pass, Magic 5 will always last. Oh, we are the 5, stronger than time, beating the odds as we climb and shine. Faith in the brotherhood keeps us alive. Magic 5, the fire, the sign. Oh, we're believers. Oh, united leaders. We are the 5, bearer of the flame. Magic 5, remember the name.
Stand tall, we're moving forward. Every dream we chase gets closer. We've come so far, we've learned to fight. Turn the darkest days to shining light. Side by side, we built this fire, a brotherhood that lifts us higher. Every challenge only makes us brave. Together strong, together safe. And when the world tries pulling us down, we rise again, we stand our ground. 'Cause we're the ones who dare to lead. Magic 5, one legacy. We will rise as one. Magic 5, lift our voices, let them fly. For the strength we hold inside, for the dreams we'll bring to life. In Las Piñas we will shine, brotherhood that won't divide. This is our time, this is our fight, and Father please say, we rise tonight. Every step is a story written, every loss a lesson given. We carry hope, we carry pride, no brother ever